Hey, welcome back. This is part 2 of starting up a YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed part 1. Part 1 was the 5 things that you needed to start your channel. I will have a link at the end of the video for the part 1, and it's basically the 5 things you need. You need a Gmail account, a YouTube studio, a computer, an iPhone, which I use, and an idea. So go to that video, take a look at that. This is the second part. So now that you have all the first stuff, you'll need to go shoot some video. That's the most important thing. So shoot some video. You don't have to get elaborate microphones or whatnot. This is just to get you started off to do your first video. My first video, maybe I'll post it in another link sometime. It was just something simple, just to get me to follow the process and do the actual process for it. So you'll need means to download your photos. I use a thing called Simple Transfer. It's an app I hook up to my iPhone and I download it to my computer. I always had a hard time downloading videos from my iPhone. So if you know a better way or another way, let me know in the comments below. I'd like to explore that. I just found this being easy. I think it's like maybe $10 a year for this software, but it's really helped me out. Another thing, once you download that, you're going to need some video editing software. I use Wondershare Filmora. I think it's pretty good. There's a cost to it. Maybe it was like $40 or $50. I'm not sure, but take a look at all these websites and they'll have all the information on there. You could get some other stuff that you could edit on your phone, but this is just for the beginner person, just to get them going and loading their first video. We'll worry about your second and third after that. So once you download your photos, you need some video editing software, and then you could actually upload that video when you're done into YouTube through YouTube Studio, which obviously we went through the first video. We talked about getting a YouTube account. So once we get the video uploaded there, it's a whole other world. You got to go in the YouTube Studio. That's where you put your tags, your descriptions, your thumbnails, etc. So one other important thing I forgot to mention, which is very important, if you're going to do a video, make sure you just don't call your video file name the first video. Call whatever it is, because YouTube uses that metadata in there to help get viewers for there. Same with your thumbnail. So that'll be on another video. I just want to set the stage up for a beginner to start a YouTube channel, because they're kind of fun. You could make some money on it. It's a good hobby, and get to see the creative side, and you get to share it to the world on what your gig is, what you do. But there again, thanks very much for watching. Please subscribe, give this a thumbs up, give me a comment below, and the next video we will do on actually some stuff on YouTube Studio. There I'll have to do some screen sharing, so it'll be pretty interesting. Anyways, take care, rock on, yeah.